Soft drizzle of a gentle rain, a minuet takes shape on cobblestone. The pitter-patter turns into a refrain, a dance that only nature could have known. The raindrops fall like crystal from the sky. Each note is delicate like a whispered sigh. The rhythm of the rain creates a lullaby, a serenade for souls seeking solace nearby.